Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a lovely happy mail that I've received. I received it yesterday, but I didn't get to open it until today. I haven't looked inside anything yet. I've taken it all out of the box because I couldn't fit the box underneath my camera on my phone. So the happy mail is from Terri Wood, and Terri has her YouTube channel and I will link that below. She has oh, there's loads of stuff here. I'm so excited. I know some of the stuff that she sent me because she's shown me little bits that she managed to acquire on her shopping trips and things over the last week or two. So I'm gonna have to move some stuff out of the way first. You see all that? There's hundreds of bags. So I'm gonna move everything's in all these lovely bags as well, which I will have great fun using the bags. Whoops, sliding everywhere. So, oops, just wobble the camera. Right, I'm going to set that to one side. I'm going to start with this. These are eyeshadow shimmer powders that Terri uses to make her own shimmer spray for her journals. That she puts in spray bottles, so she sent me some of that. So there's a silver one and a gold one, so I will have fun using that. She's also sent me this bowl of sari ribbon, sari silk, so there's tons of that to play with. That's a good idea to actually roll it up in a bowl, because when I've bought it in the past, it just comes in like a loop. It's been all rolled up and it ends up getting all tangled, so that's a great idea. And some of this pale green, so lots of that to play with. Some vintage, these look like, what's that from? Not sure what magazine that is from, but it's definitely vintage. So there's lots of that to play with. And then there is some music paper. Oops. I love the like original music paper. And some more here. Oh, this is like spreads. So there's that one, and then this one. So thank you very much, Terri. I'm so excited. Right, I'm just going to start with these bags. Haha. So there is this lovely rosette trim. It's a lovely kind of pale pink. I think she said it was like a blush pink. So there's lots of that to play with. Then there is, oh, this lovely lace fabric. That's actually very detailed. That is so pretty. So there's quite a lot of that. I'm rubbish at folding things up. So thank you, Terri. Loving all the bags as well. So excited. Like a kid, you get all like a kid at Christmas when you get toys. I like to play with the packaging. Oh, this beautiful vintage doily. So pretty. Thank you. I tidied my shed the other night. Oops, just dropped something. I need to pick that up. Yeah, I tidied my shed the other night. Now I need to find space for this because I'm getting a new printer, a new laser printer, and I've had to clear space for that as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? You know, I'll end up holding some of this. I'll be scared to use it. That is so pretty. Thank you. And then we have, oh, this pretty lace. Oh gosh, that's lovely. I love the colour. Oops. Isn't that gorgeous? And there's a nice big length of that. Oh, pretty, pretty. And then we have all glassine bags. Oh, I love them. I love them when they're coffee dyed or tea dyed. So there's these different sizes. So thank you so much, Terri. You know what I need. You know what I need. And then there's this. Oh my gosh, so much lace. Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty. And more lace. Oh, that is ever so pretty as well. Oh, I'm going to have fun with all this. Oh, and these are hankies, like vintage hankies. Aren't they pretty? That one's got a JR on it, so it was obviously made for someone. And this is pretty. Love the embroidery. And then this one. Isn't that pretty? What do we have in here? Oh, more glassine bits and bobs. Oh, little tiny envelopes. Are they envelopes? Yeah, they are. They're so dinky. Oh, they're so cute. And then there's these ones. Oh, lovely. And then these ones. Oh, gonna have so much fun with these. I've got to put them back in there because they'll end up sliding about everywhere. I'm just popping everything back into the box again until I can sort it all out properly. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Terry. This is absolutely gorgeous. Very pretty. And then bags. Oh, just love the bags. Right, what do we have in here? Oh, this was, she'd found some vintage Christmas cards. She said she was going to send me one. That is so sweet. Very traditional. I do like traditional things when it comes to Christmas. What do we have here? Oh, this is another doily. Isn't that lovely? Thank you. And in here we have, oops, what's this? London Encyclopedia on, is that Universal Dictionary? 1829. Wow. That is old. That is vintage. Oh, things are sliding about. I might have to do a part 2 of this. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that is very pretty. Oh, thank you. You can see some lace covered journals on the go. Oh, napkins. No, I know I've got loads of these, and she's taking the backing off for me. That's half the battle sometimes, isn't it? Getting the backing off. So there's them, and these are all like the birdie ones. I do like birds. And then we have a peacock. That's pretty. Oh, I think these are all birdies. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, I do like them. Thank you so much. And that is gorgeous. Oh, I can see some big journal cards coming my way, making use of them. And more napkins. Again, birds. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I like this. Well, actually, I think Terry's used this. She showed me something that she was making the other day, and I think it might have been a napkin, one of these napkins. It's very pretty. And is this? These would be really nice for autumn themed journals. Right, what time am I at? Oh, only at 9 minutes. Then this beautiful trim. That is so pretty. And there's loads of it. Thank you so much. That is lovely. And then we have some more napkins. All butterflies. Love butterflies too, butterflies and birdies. Oh, that's pretty. And then, oh, I like the tulips with the butterfly. They're so pretty. Oh, that's nice. Love the little eggs on there. I like this as well. The black and white kind of reminds me of like Tim Holtz type stuff. And oh my gosh, look at that. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. Look at that. It's quite a heavy lace. Thank you so much. And here we have some vintage postcards, and this is of Hollywood, California. The Grumman's Chinese Theatre. Oh, look at that, that's funny. These are, maybe these were the Christmas things she was talking about, the postcards. I'll have to put them in a safe place for Christmas. Actually, it won't be long before we're starting to make Christmas things again. It's gone really quick so far. Was there a note in there? No, just in case it was. This is just some book page. Thank you very much. Very vintagey. I like these cards. That's very old. Thank you so much. She looks very stern is the word. Oh, bingo cards. So I'm just saying what everything is. I'm like taking it all in. Some more bingo cards. Some more book pages. What's in here? Oh, this is different. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that would be nice on a pocket in a journal. Thank you. Getting some ideas here as well. The complete sorry, I can't read your writing. Poetical Works of Oliver Wendell Holmes, 1899. Wow, that is old. What are we at now? 13. Oh, some more napkins, birdies. More birdies. Oh, more birdies. I love the blue. I'm getting into blue. I never used to like blue, but I am very much getting into using you know, blue printables and just adding blue things to my journals. Blue accents, that's the word. These are very old. That is Scotland and this one is England. Very nice. Alright, I think I'm going to stop here and come back and show you the few little bits that I haven't shown you yet. So watch out for part 2.